I believe that you get started first.
Okay.
I hear you now.
Okay. But I don't really understand this problem. Like what it's asking me to do.
Return the counter number of line times substring length to appear at the appears in the string. Also, the last two characters. So you have a string that has a high, high. Okay, and then they want you to count the number of the last two characters, the high, how many times high show up. So you need to count high, high somewhere. But the last
Oh,
one,
okay.
no count.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Liana, you get started, okay? Whatever you are doing. I'll
Okay.
check you later. Same for Ben, okay? This is not needed.
All right.
Now,
Okay. I forgot. Yeah.
you go to the end of the string,
Mhm.
not needed.
Mm.
So you start to check by a window of two up to the last one here. Here. One more not counted to here.
Okay.
Is -2. You see what I'm doing.
Oh,
Your last I is this one. I less than n minus 2. Less than is n minus 2.
okay.
Why you plus equals 2?
Because it's gonna go by 2.
Who said that? You check this window, next one you're going to check this one. You don't go over here.
All right. Makes sense.
Oh, you didn't check the length. So go if The first line,
Mhm.
the first line. Because if you go to this substring, it already has our in bound problem. So you must be doing less check before it
Okay.
return 0. Oh, okay.
Mhm.
This one, let me have Liana, your turn. Okay, continue, okay? This one, let me have Benjamin, your turn.
Okay. Wait, when did I do one?
Let me see.
Do I need to? Is this your problem?
Don't move.
The result is one.
It said 95, so one, don't move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's over here.
It says return one has a problem.
There's no such thing as else if. It's called
Oh, it's
L
L.
if.
Okay, now it's this one. Yeah. Oh, okay, that was
Okay,
it.
one more problem.
Given two ints. Okay, so oh wait, nope, I forgot the colon. I forgot the colon. Okay, there you go.
Okay. Go back to Belinda, your turn. No, why do you need to non-star lens?
Because
You need to
Uh-huh.
check, you need to check 1, 2, 3 now. So 1, 2, 3,
so I
the
can
last one you can change up to here, so your I need to be less than -1, -2. Need to be less than -2, a window of 3 need to be less than -2. Okay? Remember this, this happened several times already.
So then when I make the
No, you check one by one. You need to have a 1, 2, 3, so your I plus 1, and I plus 2 need to be 1, 2, 3.
okay, yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Mm-hmm.
There's no better way to do it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, continue, okay?
Okay.
Let's only have the end at the end of your thing. Okay, go back to the previous problem. This one you have go back. This one you have students. Students are clear and students become empty. Then you add a junk, so they will be a junk, will be printed. Okay? Why are you spending so much time here? This kind of problem, when you work on it, if you want to work on it as a set, you have set one, you have a pen, book, and pencil. So pen, you use PE, pencil, use PL, okay? And then you have a book, and then there's an eraser and a book. So basically, if you draw this diagram, you can clearly see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4 for the union, 1 for the intersection. Okay, so work on this kind of problem. Don't just use your eyeball viewing. Right now, it's only 4, 5 elements, so it's easy. But if there are 20 of them or 30 of them, you are in big trouble. Okay, is that okay?
Yeah.
And then one more problem for you. Let me ask you one problem. So set 1 here you have A number, set 2 you have B number. The intersection part you have C number. Okay, so totally how many number are here for the union?
A
Set A,
plus B plus C.
no, A is the whole set, is the set 1. B is the set 2. C is the part that overlapped it. So union, how do you say union part? Union is combining the A, B, and the intersection. So the union is equal to A plus B. A plus B, the C part is double counted, so you need to minus C. This is the union part. This is equation you need to remember, okay? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you learned this in math or no? Probably not.
Like kind of, but not that much.
You don't remember. Maybe not, right? It's okay.
Yeah.
Let's remember now, okay? No. What are you doing? Eraser is set 2. Your is set 1 minus set 2. So you have set 1 and the set 2. Set 1 minus set 2 means it's in set 1 but not in set 2 is this part. Not including the intersection. So book is that in intersection you kick out, and then here should be pencil and the pen. Okay?
Okay.
And then mathematically it would be A minus C, the number of the element minus the intersection part. Look like you need to review the set, okay? You need to review the set. Okay, you continue, okay? But you need to definitely review the set. Next one, let me have Benjamin. Benjamin, your turn. During the COVID-19, a lot of teacher didn't teach math well, okay? That's a problem. That's really typical.
10 minus 10 minus 10. Oh, what now? What did I scroll?
Read the problem carefully.
Okay.
Don't type anything. Don't type anything. Tell me what they want.
Return true if num is within 2 of a multiple of 10.
What is a multiple of 10? It's not 10, it's multiple of 10.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60.
Yeah, so 10 is actually 8, 9, 10, 12, 11. Also 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
Yeah.
So it is not nums minus 10 and doing ABS, that's wrong. That's totally wrong. You are just doing 10. You are not doing 20.
Well,
Yeah, I'm saying what I'm saying.
I mean, I don't,
So how do you deal with 20, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 100, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102? These you all need to check, right? This. So this is wrong, delete it, don't do it anymore. How do you do with close to a 10n multiple of 10, any arbitrary n?
be n minus minus n minus 10 is 2. Oh.
Even the
Oh, okay. No, I see the
hint
problem.
right here.
I see the problem. No, it's not that. I don't think that's the problem, is it?
This is wrong. I told you it's wrong. You keep doing it. That is wrong. Why do you need to do something? I already told you wrong. You just check 10. You need to do check 20, 30, 40, 50.
23 is right, 22 is right, 21 is right, 158 is right. It's not that. It's not the problem.
You only do 10, 20. That's not enough. You need to do more.
Definitely not the problem, but okay.
There, they give you a hint right here. What does this tell you? How do you use this remainder to help you?
Something mod 10.
Something mod 10, what do you do with this problem with something mod 10?
In the case of 23, 23 mod 10 would be 3. And then you check. Okay. Let me look this. Okay, so 23 mod 10 would be 3. And then you want to check if 10 minus 3. You want to check if it's within 2 of a multiple of 10. But since we already got rid of this, then you can just check if it's between. So 10 minus 3 in this case would be false, but okay. What if, okay, so 22 mod 10 would be 2. So it needs to be between less than or equal to 2 and
So n 10 modular by 10, what does this mean to you?
that would be 0. So it would need to be
No. When you see n modular by 10, what does this mean to you?
You find a remainder.
What do you mean?
Huh?
What do you mean?
The remainder of the number. So
this is the meaning of this modular, but I ask you, what does this mean to you?
what does this mean?
What does this mean to you? It's modular 10,
How
of course.
many it's off from being a multiple of 10?
No.
Yeah.
It is not how many off from multiple of 10. It's not the distance from 10, no.
From a multiple of 10.
It's not from multiple of 10, no. If you have an 18 10 multiplied by 10, it's 8. It's not distance, it's not 8 from multiple of 10. It's 2 only. So this is wrong. It's not distance from 2. It actually is the last digit. So what does this last digit tell you? I'm trying to teach you, okay? So this problem actually is pretty easy. There's one way you can solve it. N 10 multiplied by 10 is the last digit. So you N 10 multiplied by 10 is last digit. So the last digit is A9012. These 5 numbers. Then it's within distance of 2 or multiple of 10. Did I type something wrong?
It's
Or
num.
num? That's the answer, okay? Your concept about modular is wrong, okay? But this is not the best also. This is not the best. A better solution is that you try to go to the multiple of 10. So you have 10, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is modular 10 is actually A9012. So if I plus 2, this one should be plus 2, this one should be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then I can write another one that's actually using this one, using return nums plus 2. And modular by 10 less than equals 4. There's no S. That's even shorter.
Okay. Nums plus
Your math need to improve, okay?
12 plus 2.
When you go to the discrete math, you need to study harder. You have a discrete math in your SU curriculum, but you need to study harder, okay? This is very fundamental problem. Anyway, that's something you need to pick up, okay? In high school math, you probably learn this, but you don't really go into the fundamental part, okay? That's okay, but you need to pick up, okay? Next one, go back to Belinda. Belinda, your turn.
Can you stop? Okay.
Really don't think this.
Why here plus equals 3?
Because I need to skip it after.
Huh? Skip what?
Because it goes from 1 to 4. So
A little bit complicated, okay?
okay.
UI is a little bit complicated. Let me actually multiply it, then you see if I do improve it, okay? So the
Okay.
temporary string that's actually fine. Temporary, actually, can you grab me?
Oh, sorry. That's not.
The temporary is fine. This one not needed, okay? So you go to every later, that's no problem. Okay. Go to every later, that's not a problem. So now the key point is that you want to have this one is very essential. Okay? You have a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you want to actually do this. This 2 you want to take, this 2 you want to drop. Right?
Yeah.
So what does this one tell you? This one tell you that I minus 4, 10 modular by 4 less than 2, then your 10 plus equals str dot char at I. That's it.
Wait, but Mr. Cho, sometimes when I try to add a character to a string, it says I can't do that.
You can because you use equal. When you use equal, you do character equals plus character equal a string. That's wrong. Plus equal is okay. Plus equal this is string plus equal character. That's fine.
Okay.
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 And if still not okay, what you can do is 10 plus equal a double quote plus a character. Double quote plus character will convert this one to a string.
Oh,
So
okay.
that's also fine. Okay, if that doesn't work out.
Okay.
But the key point right here is that use your modular,
Mm-hmm.
then you can manipulate this much easier, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Next one, let me have Liana, your turn. So all of you may find out that the discrete mass, the modulus is very important. Okay, please study. Okay, no matter what major you want to go to, that's actually a very fundamental mass. When you learn probability statistics, you still need it.
Hmm.
So go back if you don't remember the things, all the data in the dictionary, go back. What do you mean by data? Data is you have a dictionary and then what do you want? What do you mean by data? You have name, Jiang, company, Google. So I think that what they want you to have is something related to data, right? Maybe that is. I'm not sure. The problem you face.
Hmm.
You can search internet if you're not sure. Search internet what is the data in the dictionary. If you want to search internet, okay? Making sure that you understand it. In dictionary, there are key and values. I'm not sure this one is key or value or something else. Take your time, okay? No rush. For all the keys, it's called keys. For all the values, it's called values.
Hmm.
Isolate well.
Liana, are you okay? If not, roll back more to the beginning of this section, see what is data, what the data means. Go back to the earlier part of this section to see what they define for data. Okay, get started from the beginning part. Okay, key value pair. Let's get started from here. Next one. Making sure you understand it. Okay. No, you don't need to answer it. It's okay. You are reviewing it. You don't need to work on it. So these are key value pair, and then what do they mean by data? Oh, keep going. It's just key value pairs. Where we go back. Previous one, this one curve string. Okay, data type. Okay, next one. This one only say data type. Next one. Oh. Okay, go back. This one says value stored in the using index access data, you use key. Okay, this one you know, so you use key to access data. So these are different data field that you have right here, okay? And your value is on this side. So keep going. So company, okay, here you said that assign the value of this one. So you actually, this one's info equals content company bracket, right? So this one is assigning the value to the variable. Okay, so next one. Next one. You actually get function. Okay, so get function. Get to access value. Get function. Okay, get function is the same as you user bracket. That's the same. So next one. You have the keys and values to get the value and key. Okay, this is okay. Okay, holding data informations, which one holding? So this is values. So I think the data is values. Go. Okay, so this one I probably is info equals booked values. Go see if it work. No, sorry. So maybe key. Go back. Let's see. This one is not well defined. It doesn't ask you key or value. So this problem they do not define it well. Okay, it's okay. So you will be holding here for a while. It's okay. Now let you get started with coding back. Okay, we'll come back to here since you still have time. You have 20 minutes. Get a new browser. Let's get started for coding back. Monday you need to come back. Okay, Monday you still need to come back. So go to coding back. Register an account first. Click Java is okay. You can switch to Python later. Go click. And then click on this one. Change to Python. Okay, now you actually create an account here. Create account here. Create an account here. Okay. Go to Python. Work on the warm-up one. So your goal is get started for 1 watt 1 and then other level 1, okay? Click on the sleep in. But your solo learn part still need to catch up, okay? You need to catch up. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Any question?
No.
They want you to write a function given two variable, two parameter, weekday and vacation. So weekday and prevention, they may be true, may be false, but you need to determine if sleeping is allowed. Sleeping is allowed when it is not a weekday and we are on vacation. Under these two conditions, you will allow sleeping, then you will return true. Yeah, it's return true. Oh, one moment, okay, one moment. You're correct this time, but this else is not needed, okay? This else is not needed because it's true, it already returned true. So this else is not needed. You can write this way. This is still true, okay? And then this is actually right here, it actually is, this whole condition is a condition. So it has if a condition, you will return true, else you will return false. So a is true, you return true. A is false, you return false. So you just return a, that will be enough. So this problem actually, you don't need that. You actually just need to right here directly return these things. That will be enough. You don't need to do that. Okay. You continue. Okay. Next
Okay.
one, let me have Benjamin. Benjamin, your turn. Hi, Benjamin, your turn.
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen right now. This one, yeah. Oh. Oh, I keep forgetting. And now what? Oh,
Else don't have a code.
huh?
This one,
Okay, why would that be 0? Oh, all of them don't count. Okay. There we go.
one moment. This one actually, If it is returned, it's returned, so this else is not really needed.
Oh, okay.
So this is better,
Okay.
okay? Let's go back to Belinda, your turn. Take your time, very sorry, a little bit rough.
Okay.
Right, they own this, right?
s-
They own this, right?
yeah.
So how to say this?
Mm,
Within 2 of A minus 1.
absolute value.
Yeah, think about it. That's the key point. You have to solve this part. I cannot tell you
Okay.
right now, okay? This is a hint to you, but I cannot help you right now. X is within 2 of B is X minus B is absolutely less than equals to. So B right now is A minus 1.
Mm.
This is wrong.
Oh, okay. Oh,
This is a plus one, since you take this one out.
How about you distribute? Okay.
That's it. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
your sense of mass still not very direct, okay? Apart, you need to be stronger. Not just for coding, but also for mass. Your mass is not really direct. You actually will moving around, okay? So when you do math, you still need to practice more, okay? Thinking more deeply. Next one, let me have Liana, your turn. Deep thinking is very important in math. Liana, are you okay?
Do what is it? ABS?
Yeah. The
Okay.
absolute value is ABS. Okay, one moment, okay? This one, if this is return else, okay. So this else part, you don't need to have else, that's actually fine, okay? So this will be fine. Second, n greater than 21, so n is minus 21 is bigger than 0, so actually ABS not needed. Third, this one 21 bigger or equal to n, so you actually do 21 minus n, that's also positive, so okay. Okay. Next one, let me have Benjamin Newton. Hi, Benjamin Newton.
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. Give it a second. Okay. Run 1 to 10x multiple. Is it Around 10. If num mod 10 is greater than or equal to 5, mod wait. I'm trying to think this will work. Okay, 16. Okay, so 10 minus 6 is. Oh, yeah, that would work. This feels very calm. Yeah, let's try. 12. No, that wouldn't work. That wouldn't work. No, mind 10 minus. Oh. Oh. Oof. Did I? Wait, does that not work?
So your wrong thing is wrong. Delete everything in wrong thing. Redo it.
Oh, okay. What the heck is that?
Redo it. Delete it. Redo it. It doesn't go help it.
Greater than 5 around, so. Oh, something this.
Okay, let me follow your logic, okay? So this one, you put so many parentheses, totally wasting your time. Why do you need so many parentheses? You need none of them. So if this one greater equals 5, means you are 15 or more, right?
Yeah.
So what you would do is num divided by 10, integer division. and then plus 1. Times 10, because you are going to move on to the next 10. So this one, okay. Otherwise, you return nums divided by 10, then multiply by 10. That's it. So your mind rounding, you are messy, okay? You are messy. Your math is very messy. Not coding part. Your math is messy. Now let me show you another way to write rounding. This would be good enough.
16 was what? 21. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. Okay.
When you take the math, discrete math, you need to redo it from fundamental part in the basic numbers. Okay. Your number theory, modulus, calculus, modulus. Okay, we are out of time, but now everyone. Okay, let me share. Actually, talk to everyone. So everyone's modular arithmetic is bad, not just you. How to improve the modular arithmetic? You go to Khan Academy. Khan Academy has a whole module of the modular arithmetic. So here it actually is a whole course on modular arithmetic. Okay, you have to redo this, really trying to understand it if you want to do computer science. Here, this one is actually a course of the computer science theory, algorithm, information. So these are actually very good course, but the modulus is one of the chapter. So if you are between AP CSA, AP CSP, either way, anyway, you kind of need it sometime. If not now, sometime you will still need it. For someone like Benjamin, you must do this. Is that okay?
Yeah.
That's something you need to figure out. Look like you don't know much about the modulus, not just you, everyone. But this one you teach you was modulus, was a remainder, and then in what condition, how to do operation, and then how to do congruence mapping, congruence relation, and then solving the modulus equation. A mod C equals B mod C since. Okay. Quotient theory. Anyway, this kind of the modulus arithmetic. When I was little, I learned it probably in 8th grade. Okay, I probably learned it in 8th grade. So this one is a typical course in Taiwan. Okay, so I would say spend some time study this one. Okay, everyone. Okay, I'll teach you what is integer division, what is modulus, and how to use them. Later, when you do computer science, it is part of the cryptography. When you do Bitcoin, those kind of digital money. Wait, where it is? I'm sorry, is it right here? It is part of the cryptography, is also part of the algorithm. Okay, you are in the lesson 5 of the cryptography. So cryptography would need So these all things I think you need to study if you have time, okay? After APCSA, you can study. So someone like Benjamin, you should study if you have time. No matter where you are, which college you go to, it doesn't matter. You should think about yourself. Khan Academy give you tons of very good computer courses, not just this. Khan Academy's computer science course, there are many good ones. They have many good courses. Okay. There are tons of courses you can use, all free, right? Computing, here you have introduction to Python, here you have many good courses. So this is the one that we are talking about right here, okay? Computer science theory is this one. Okay, it's under the computing department. And every grade you need to make up. If your school teacher doesn't teach you well, you have a kind of a lot of material, US history, AP US history, war history, whatever, statistic, probability, science, whatever. Okay, you pick it by yourself. Okay, this is a very good supplemental material for you to study. Okay, any question?
No.
No, that's it for today. Okay, good night and continue work hard. Okay, and then for the end on Monday we still need you. Okay, good night and bye bye.
Okay.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.